Okay, so now I'm going to do number 49, and number 49 just basically is number 49 on this worksheet. As you can see, I circled it because, yeah. Okay, so the equation is y equals 2x divided by x plus 1. And you're supposed to find the equation of a tangent line to the curve at the given point. So the given point is 1, 1. This is an easy question. So you're first going to know how you do the quotient rule. So the quotient rule is basically, probably seen this rule before and hated it. It's g of x times the derivative of f of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x. I'm going to make this more clear. And then I'm going to put a bracket over this just so when you distribute it out, you remember that there's a minus. And then over g of x squared. Okay, so we're going to take this equation and we're going to first find what f of x is, what the derivative of f of x is, what g of x is, and the derivative of g of x. F of x is obviously 2x. The derivative of 2x, since that's a 1, so times 2. You drop the 1, so it's going to be 2, because you drop the x. And then over here you're going to get x plus 1. And over here you're just going to drop, once again, bring it to the front and drop the x, because it's to the first power. This is a constant, so it's not part of the equation. So, very simple. And then you're just going to plug it into the equation. Okay. And then once you have plugged it into your equation, you're just going to distribute. And you're going to get 2x plus 2 minus 2x. So you know you're doing it right when you see things that can cancel out. So obviously these two can cancel out because 2x minus 2x equals 0. And then you're just going to basically get this as your equation. But the point says 1, 1. This is going to be your x, and this is going to be your y. So you're going to have to plug in the 1 as your x variable. And then you're going to get 1 plus 1 squared. And that's going to give you with So that's going to give you with 1/2 as your slope. And to find a tangent line, you're just going to use the slope just kind of ignore that. And then you're going to get y minus 1 equals 1/2 x minus 1. You can just leave it like this, or you can just plus that, and your equation of your tangent line would basically be y equals 1/2 x minus 1 plus 1. And you're done.